In this episode of video tutorials, I will show you how you can delete a file from your Windows 11 machine permanently. Let's get started. Hello, my name is Edmond Sarkodie. These video tutorials, I'll show you how you can delete a file from your Windows 11 machine permanently. To start, if you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, then click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video. Basically, when you delete a file from your Windows PC, move to recycle bin as temporary storage so that when you mistakenly delete the file, you can go to the recycle bin to restore. But to delete it permanently from your Windows 11 machine, you go to the recycle bin by clicking on the recycle bin on your desktop. This is the recycle bin, the file that has been deleted from the computer. So to delete it, you can go to empty recycle bin on the top menu and click on to empty the recycle bin, or you can select the file by clicking the three dots on the top menu, then select all, then click on delete tab to delete the file, or you right click on the file, then you click on show more option, then you click on delete, click on yes to delete the file. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tap the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video.